chapter, food safety. And we know food is very important in our life. And now we have to see which are the constituents of this important food. And these constituents we have studied in the last chapter. We will revise them with the help of their sources as well as functions. So carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins. See, for that I have given you one sentence. चिन्मय पाटील फार मस्त वागतो. चिन्मय carbohydrates, पाटील proteins, फार fats, मस्त minerals and vitamins वागतो. Now, these carbohydrates, what are the sources of carbohydrates and what are their functions that we will see first of all. In Marathi, carbohydrates are called पिष्टमय पदार्थ or कर्बोदके. Wheat, jawar, bajra, rice, all these grains, cereals or grains are the main sources of carbohydrates. And what are their functions? They provide energy to the body. When we take the intake of these carbohydrates, they lead to feel us energetic and we feel stimulated for the work. Then proteins. Proteins in Marathi they are called prathine. And what are the sources of proteins? Pulses, milk, beans. These are all pulses. These are the main source of proteins. And the functions of proteins are they help in our growth and development. The growth and development of body occurs due to proteins. Also, they are responsible for repairing wear and tear of our body. Wear and tear means jizz hone, and that is repaired by our body with the help of proteins. Then fats. The name indicates fats, which may be the main sources of fats. Oil, butter, ghee, cheese, all these are the main sources of fats. Then these fats they also provide energy to our body. And vitamins and minerals, जीवनसत्व and खनिज पदार्थ. We get these two from fruits and leafy vegetables, fruit vegetables, etc. Then, what are the functions? They give us immunity so that we can fight the diseases. Our body becomes ready to fight the diseases with the help of vitamins and minerals. Then, they help in all life processes. All metabolic processes, they can be done easily with the help of these vitamins and minerals because they are very important in our diet. In this way, we have studied the nutrients and their role in our body. We get these nutrients from the foodstuffs. Now we will see how these food materials they can be kept very safe so that they will give us proper nutrition.